My name is Tony Coates, and the work that I'm showing is called Untitled, Sol LeWitt, 1967, 1968, and 1989. And the reason for the title in some ways is a kind of short history of the piece itself. I'd never seen the particular paravent that I kind of wanted to use as a reference. One of the things that attracted me, say, specifically to the Sol LeWitt work was that it was polychrome on one side and monochrome on the other. And it encouraged me to kind of think about something maybe in terms of contrast. And fairly late in the process, I found two texts by Sol LeWitt talking about his practice and its history. So it was an interesting sort of set of materials, both the paravent itself and, you could say, the texts that were written over 20 years beforehand. And I kind of like that idea of taking the same material and recasting it in slightly different ways. At one point I decided I wanted to shift the gendered pronouns that he used in the text, because I didn't know why artists were always he, and why they couldn't be they or she. But was kind of condition of possibility, a kind of time travel that you could do now and should do.